not come through here when I didn't drink enough.
So you want to decide?
Oh, I punched it, so there's
I mean, so I'm not going to get into this with you.
I don't have a
trespassing in jail. Understand?
What's the issue?
Apparently,
So,
You accuse that you pushed my team member, and I have you on camera. I have you on camera pushing my team member.
so they're allowed to put their arm in front of my face. Listen, you don't need to go. I know. What? We have a whole. I'm not tonight.
We have a whole camera.
we're gonna go. Let's go.
Listen, I'm walking and you're putting your arm on my face. You want to listen? Go. You want to get this one?
Yeah, I got you.
Apparently, I'm not allowed to touch anything on you. I'll follow you. I'll follow her.
It was around this area, alright?
Caesar, how are you doing? How are you doing?
That could have been it.
Oh yeah, it's definitely him.
Hey, yeah, so you sent me over there just to see if it was still there. I guess since we're expecting her to come up here,
There we go.
LPD's gonna have let's go back to what the fuck.
I'm gonna file it.
That's fine.
Well, I always know my fiance. We go make sure everybody's on INFRINGE thing. No, they literally line and block. No, my fiance's over here.
You're coming this way.
Listen, I don't have any of my phones. I don't
Let's
have
go.
Listen, that means
Go.
Can we go to the front?
Yo, go. You're going this way.
Listen, hold on. I need my fucking phone and
You're
stuff.
going this way.
Listen,
We're not gonna play. No, it's not what you want. Right now, you're gonna walk this way.
listen, I need my phone so I can communicate with my daughter and my fiance.
This is a problem you have to deal with later. You put yourself in this
No, I
situation.
get it. They put themselves in a situation. There's two sides to every story,
If
man.
we're gonna have issues, I will go back.
I'm not having
I'll
issues.
shut you out.
Listen, listen.
Let's go.
Listen, hold on.
No,
Hold on, hold on.
This
Listen.
isn't your way.
Listen,
We're
hold
gonna
on a
walk
second.
out
Can I
this
please
way.
stop? I let you guys stop.
No,
Hold
dude.
Hold on. Listen, I got a 12-year-old daughter that's
This
by
is your
herself.
problem. This is going to be solved another time. You need to go this way.
No, it's
You're
going to be
leaving the
solved
property.
right now.
You are leaving the property.
Listen,
I will take you out of the property.
Please let me get my.
You guys want to press charges?
I'm not entirely sure, but since he's not calming down, we just need to speak to somebody because
Please, if they want to press charges, then we'll go. Let's go.
okay.
Listen, I need to get my. I need to get my property, man. Listen, let me. Hey, can you listen? Can you escort me? Can you escort me?
No, we're not doing that. Walk out this way right now. Walk out this way right now. Make right.
Well, and listen, that's not happening.
Let's go.
I need to get the contact Yeah, you got this so taking cigarettes.
You shit down stupid shit.
I didn't what? You didn't know what I did. You didn't know what I did.
We need to confirm if they want to press charges so I can take this guy to jail.
No, listen,
Go.
Can I explain something?
It's assault.
Yeah, I'll catch you, man. I'm going on the shelf.
trespass is for indefinite. It's all universal properties. That's the parks, the water park, city walk, parking structures, and the hotel there. Do you have any questions?
Stand up. Off property. Hold on. Stand up. Yeah, we're gonna get you off property right now. All right.
So you're being placed under arrest for battery, right?
Times 2.
Do you want anything to go with your family?
You got a second pair?
Do you want anything to go with your family?
Can I text my fiance real fast? She has my 12-year-old daughter.
Do you need anything to go with them? Because I can tell her. Are they right outside, do you know?
No, I got it. Okay. Oh, you can do it with your finger? Can I text it through my phone?
Sure. You have anything in your pockets?
Oh, no, sir. No.
This, I guess. This side.
Oh yeah, definitely all of them. Okay, let's take a walk. You go take some walk.
Okay.
This way. Good?
Yeah, I'm trying to text it and it keeps on messing up the word. Alright. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Cool. Appreciate it. This one?
Yep. You ever been arrested before?
Yes, sir.
Alright, for what?
Domestic violence.
Domestic violence. Alright, well have a seat.
How's that seatbelt?
Yeah, no, it'll move out the way by a moment. There you go.
Man, they don't make these things,
No, unfortunately not comfortable. Perfect. Sir, I'll be able to get back. Alright.